Hello everyone, my name is Firdaus Razali, and today video we're gonna talk about this flow chart about my progress on new software that I have learned in this semester. The new software name is AcrGIS. AcrGIS is a family-friendly software and online geographic information system service developed and maintained by Esri. So we're gonna show how to using and making maps in part 1. We are already given the task to follow the tutorial given in each three chapter. The first chapter is introduction. We learn in tutorial 1 to 1 on how opening and saving a map document. By launch the app map first and go to the existing map, browse for more. Go to the map tutorial 1 to 1 and save as and tutorial 1 to 1 in my chapter 1 in SSI folder. And tutorial 1 to 2 we are working with maps layer. We start by turn a layer on and off by clicking the small checkbox at the left of the layer and learn, add and remove the map layer. By go to data folder and click the GDB map folder and click to the COC countries layer. And in tutorial 3, we are navigating in a map document. We learn how to use zoom, pan, full, previous, and next extend tools. We also learn how to open the magnifier window by clicking the window and go to magnifier and drag to the map you want to zoom. After that, we use the layer overview window by clicking at the menu bar, go to the window and click overview. And we also learn how to use bookmark by click at the bookmark, create bookmark and create a new bookmark. And tutorial 1 to 5 is about how measuring this thing in the map by clicking at the measure button and click to the boundary and the state that you want to measure from left to right or up or down. And we go to the tutorial file which is working with fader attribute. In this tutorial we learn about how to use the identify tool that gives you the data about the place in the state or the data in the country you want to search. And in tutorial 1 to 6, we learn how to selecting feeder in the map. We are using the select feeder tool and click the maps, and we also can click other state by holding shift and click the state that you want to click. And go to the tutorial 1 to 7, which is changing selection option. We can change the color of the selection option that we choose. And this progress, I change blue to the amethyst color, so it changed the color when you select the map. In tutorial 1 to 8, we are working with attribute table. This attribute table will give you the data, more specific data, and also can give you a statistic about in the state. In tutorial 1 to 9, we learn how to label inverter by set the label properties and label feature, and now we appear at the map. On chapter 2, which is map design, in tutorial 1 to 1, we learn how to color a layer, and we choose the verify color in the layer to make the map easily to us to search for the state and in the country. Next is tutorial 2 and 2, which we creating point and polygon map using aggregative attribute. We learn to make a point in the map and how many people in it will make the point bigger, and when less people in it will make the point is smaller. And the next step is tutorial 2-3. We're creating a custom classes for a map. In this tutorial, we are learning on we putting a data by ourselves, and the map will changed by the data that we have already put by ourselves. And the last step is tutorial 3 and 2, which is creating a map layout. This is how to make a map layout, and we learn how to insert a title, insert legend, insert a scale bar, and insert a text, and create a JPEG of the layout. So as the conclusion, I can conclude that this software is very easy to understand and use for mapping and labeling, also for collecting data. I also believe that this software can help me do my job easily in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.